Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can set up Amazon affiliate payment method. Now if you have signed up for Amazon affiliate program and you want to set up Amazon affiliate payment method, then what you need to do guys is you can see this bar here. That means you have signed up for, or you have joined Amazon affiliate program. If you don't see this bar, that means you haven't signed up yet. Now what you need to do guys, you just need to click on Amazon Associates in the top or site Stripe, and it will take you guys to this page, and here you will see your earnings and stuff like that. Now to add the payment method, you just need to click on where it says here, you can see here your email address. If you move your mouse to there, you can see here enter that payment history. Click on that and it will take you guys to this page. Because you can say I haven't added any bank information here. So what you need to do guys to add here your bank information, first you need to choose, I'm going to click on your associates account. I think there's a problem with the connection here. As it says here, this is my store balance and this is unpaid balance. Like this unpaid balance is going to go to the bank account after you add there your bank account. And then you can select here your country. As you can see, United States. I have selected United States. I don't know, like there is a problem with Amazon today. Okay, so I'm going to go back to payment account settings. Yeah, you want to click on account settings instead of payment history. You want to click on account settings. You want to click on account settings, and then I just need to wait. Okay, wait a few seconds. And as you can see, it says here payment and tax information. Like I said, when you move your mouse to an email, I made a mistake. I thought like you are going to click on payment history. You need to click on account settings, and then you want to click on change your payment method. Now if you click on change my payment method, you just need to log in. Just log in using your email. As it says here, send verification. Okay, I'm going to enter here a code. It's 1673. Okay, click on sign in, and then what you need to do guys now is to add your bank account. As you can see, it says here bank account. As you can see, you want to click on that and then click on add new bank account, and then you want to select the country where you live and the bank currency. If it's dollars, select dollars, and then the account holder name, account number, bank name, routing number, confirm account number. Okay, the routing number, if you don't know it, now you can get it from your application, your bank application. You can just log in into your bank, and then you will find in the routing number. If you don't know it, just click what is this. It will have explanation because this routing number is different. Like each country has different routing number. Now after you enter all this information, you want to click on save changes. Now after you click on save changes, then you will be able guys to receive payments, okay, to your bank account, like if you have balance inside your Amazon affiliate program. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.